anyone who does any kind of woodworking, metalworking, or lots of other crafts, one of the things that's always handy are little spring clamps, and for the convenience of customers, Starbond is now stocking these small little spring clamps. The jaws open to over an inch, and they're perfect because they're not super strong. They will still hold things, but they don't squeeze things together so much that all of the glue squeezes out, because when you're gluing things, you have to have enough glue between the surfaces for that to bond. So these come in a package of 10, and they're just a handy thing. You can always use spring clamps. Anybody who has wooden furniture or wooden floors or laminate floors and have discovered that there may be some scratches on them they'd like to repair, this is a repair kit for furniture, wood flooring, and laminate flooring. And inside you'll find 2 sets of markers. There's these markers along the top here, and they go from dark all the way to a light beige. You'll also find wax crayons and even a sharpener there, so no matter what kind of a scratch it is that you have to repair, one of these somewhere, or maybe even a combination of both of these, are going to be able to help disguise most scratches that you will have on any of your furniture or flooring. And finally, everybody can use pencils, and Starbond is now stocking mechanical pencils, and they come with their own refills. You can get red and yellow refills. They come inside, and the black. And I've already installed a gray refill in this one, and of course they're easy to use. They're a nice thick lead. The sharpener is in the top, so you never have to worry about looking for a sharpener. You can easily put your lead in there and just sharpen it and replace that, and now you've got a fresh pencil every time. Quick and easy to use.